Now it's going. Danny. Hi. Take the camera.
Wait! I'm the audio person, the game player, and also the cameraman. I can't do all this. Oh my god!
See, that's why you should hold the camera because I
I
move
have
a
to
lot.
hold the camera and do this at the same time.
But I want to dance.
Oh my god. Woman.
See? People don't want to dance with me. So
Back of the bus. For all of you people who don't know me, apparently I am Danny, the camera girl, audio person. Her butt jiggles.
I know I have a big
La la. What?
I know I have a big butt.
Of course you don't. We look wobbly. Oh my god. Hi.
Hi.
I want to be a Frenchman.
I'm changing the song.
Okay. You're just exiting right out. You make me wanna scream. La 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 la. Hi. Cut the music off. Oh. Don't do that to me again. Don't you yell at me, Missy. Oh, what now? Apparently, I am trying to plug this in. What the hell?
I love the video for this.
What the hell am I listening to? I'm scared to find out.
I got a smiley.
And a rash.
Shut up.
Oh, I didn't show you my toesies.
Spider?
Toesies.
Oh. Dude, pretty. Was it that Asian lady that like cut up my nail?
No, it was the Asian lady who's pregnant.
Oh.
A pregnant Asian lady.
It's an
You missed it. Billy button.
I thought we were playing Guitar Hero.
We are. Apparently you're dancing.
I am.
Na, 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 na. Oh, Starp. No. Which one do you like? The first one or second?
I don't care.
I'm better at the second one.
I'll put up more songs.
Yes, you should have.
Come on, so I can try to do the split.
I'm on hard.
I'm not.
Ah!
I can't do it. I'm not
I came here for nothing. Fine. Sheesh, wasting my time.
Yeah.
Ugh. Why do you waste my time?
Although, I'm doing the easiest thing ever.
Oh my god, I got flexible.
What?
I mean, I got flexible.
It's easy.
You look so... Oh yes, for all you people out here.
Oh, shit, it's cold.
Oh my god, I'm missing everything. It's Charmaine and her
It's cold.
wonderful bridge.
Ow. I think my phone's trying to fall out.
Ooh. Hi. Hi.
Where's Carmella? We have sex.
She's not. I got molested in the vagina. No, I did yesterday.
MC Vagina. Have you seen that?
No.
Oh no, I was listening to a bunch of freshmen and they're like, E equals MC Vagina.
Oh, sweet Jesus. Oh yes, as I was saying, for all who you people don't know, this is the lovely and talented Charmaine.
Not that talented.
Are you kidding me? Flexibility. Look at that wonderful talent right there. Oh my gosh, she's looking at the giant helmet.
Why do you have a giant like butt?
You, my mom's friend, gave it to my brothers. Charmaine, I'm sorry to. Oh my God, you could fit in it. I'm sorry to tell you, Charmaine, but I think your head is overflowing your body. Hello? Can I come in? Oh, it's a peephole. Hi. Hi. I can see your hand through the camera.
I'm all red.
Hi. I like to see my shirt.
I have a cuter bra.
No, I don't.
I do too. Want to see?
Oh, first I can't see it. I have to see the body before that. Okay, let's see. Oh my God. See? Wait, you guys can't see it. It's pink. It has a
You're not
rose.
shooting porno.
Porno.
No. No, because I'm not single anymore.
You're not single.
I'm not single anymore, so I can't shoot.
It's wine. Dun, 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 dun. Look at her walk off so gracefully. Oh. Oh my God. Did you say hello? I thought that was you.
No, listen.
It's a turtle.
What?
It's a duck. Lovely. Does he have a flower in his hand or? Whee! Look at your feet.
See, not me.
What did he say, boo?
No, it was like or whatever.
Oh.
See, it wasn't me.
Oh. Oh my God, you actually proved your point. Wow. I'm very shocked.
This one's a good song. Alright, let's go.
Whee! Oh my God. Whee! Ah!
I love these pants. Like, I'll put Victoria's Secret.
Obviously, you love it. So yeah, that's Charmaine. Obviously, we had an introduction, and me, the person behind the camera. Okay. I am Danny, the person behind the camera. You guys never see me, but that's all right.